Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to solve the problem of we suspended your account 180 days left to appeal, or we will permanently disable your account. Now, someone may ask, why do they do this kind of restrictions, or why would they disable my account and say this? Now, the reason why you may see this kind of message or restriction is that, one, you are violating Facebook policy on account integrity. If you read below, it says why this happened. Your account may be associated with another account that has gone against our rules. This doesn't follow our community standard on account integrity. So typically, you may be having a Facebook account and then you have another Instagram account that is connected to the Facebook, and maybe you are trying to follow many people on Instagram, or many people are sending you messages on Instagram and you are accepting. It could also be Facebook. Maybe your Facebook account, you are following so many people at the same time, or you are requesting many Facebook friends at the same time, or many people are requesting friendship from you at the same time and you are accepting them, accepting and requesting friends, or you are trying to solicit to follow you or to subscribe to your maybe YouTube, or you are sharing a certain link. Whichever it is, the long and short of it is that you are trying to do something so frequently. Facebook, they don't allow when you try to overdo certain things. As I just mentioned, you are over liking people's pages, you are over following people, you are requesting for Facebook friendship so much within a short time. All those fall within what they call account integrity. Account integrity, what they are trying to say is that you are not trying to get genuine reactions or genuine followers or genuine messages. You see, they are trying to overdo it. Another thing that falls under this thing is some people, you will see that they are trying to share something into so many groups at the same time. So it goes against the integrity. It means that you want to overhype the virality of something that is not necessarily going viral. So please, it's against the rules. So in that case, if you see that, you click on appeal. When you click on appeal, it will take you to the next page, and the next page they will ask you to put your email address. Okay, so you put your email address. They will say, you click on send me code. They will send you a code, and then you put a code inside. Then it will take you to this particular screen where they will ask you to record a video of yourself to make sure that you are a real person, because sometimes when it happens that way, they may think that you are not a real human being. Probably it is the account is created by a bot who is trying to do so many things. Like it is not a real account. Okay, they think that it is not a real account. They think it's a robot that probably created the account, or they use AI to generate the account. You know, nowadays some hackers can sit down and then create so many fake accounts and use it to interact and do a lot of things on Facebook, send messages and like people's pages and all that. So you must record a video of yourself. Make sure that you are a real person. They will say we need you to record a video selfie. We will ask you to move your head during the recording to help us capture your face at different angles. So they will do all that, and then so when you click on record, you'll be able to record everything. And when you are done recording, then you click on submit. When you submit, it will tell you this. You see your name at the top, and you say that you submitted an appeal on. Then they'll put a date and they'll say check back here for a result. Now they will go and then review it. If they review it and they realize that you are a genuine person, or you're a real person, you are not operating multiple accounts, or you are not doing anything untoward, they will reinstate the account. I've reinstated several people's accounts with this method. But if they review the account and they realize that you are someone that is creating multiple accounts, and you indeed did a lot of things, sending so many messages and those things, they may suspend your account. But in some cases too, they may ask you to explain why your account should not be suspended. So you can take time and explain that you actually try sending messages or following some people, but you didn't overdo it. You just sent maybe 2 or 3 messages, and it mistakenly got you caught in this particular policy. So you are sorry, and you will not do that again. They may reinstate it for you, but You just have to be, just let them know that you did it out of ignorance and you didn't know, and you will not do it again. If you follow these processes, you may be able to get your account reinstated. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. See you in the next video, and bye.